Okay, number 37. Miss Jacobs has $15 to spend on coffee and donuts. She buys one coffee for $2.59. The cost of each donut is $1.09. Which inequality could be used to determine the greatest number of donuts, D, that Miss Jacobs can buy? Okay, so let's look at a couple of things here. First of all, she has $15 to spend. She buys one coffee, so this is kind of a permanent number. It doesn't change. And the cost of each donut is $1.09. Which inequality could be used to determine the greatest number of donuts, D, that Miss Jacobs can buy? So we're really talking about changing the number of donuts that she can buy with this $15. So because she already is buying one coffee, that's going to be like a constant number. So both of these look good. They've got the coffee associated with the variable D, which is supposed to be donuts. So we're not going to multiply the price of the coffee times the number of donuts. It doesn't make sense. So these two we can mark off right off the bat. So now we've got to look at these first two to see, okay, what have we got? $1.09 times donuts equals, or plus $2.59 is less than or equal to 15. And this is exactly the same, except for one thing, and that is this sign right here. So the question is, do you want this inequality sign to be donuts plus coffee is less than $15 or donuts plus coffee is more than $15? Well, we don't want more than because she's only got $15, so it can't be this one. It has to be this one. So just in case you don't recognize the inequality sign, think about whenever you're looking at these, try to begin to say these things out loud. And whenever you see this sign, so this is right here, this is less than. If you think about it on the number line, you're going -1, -2. So these numbers are getting smaller and smaller and smaller as they go this way. And this is your less than sign. And your greater than sign, the numbers are going more greater and greater and greater in the positive direction. So this is your greater than sign. So if you can say these things out loud, you'll understand what the answer is. So this is $1.09 times the number of donuts, D, plus $2.59 is less than or equal to 15. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. However, only 59% of the students that took this test got that question right. So it's still a little bit difficult, and I think probably the difficulty is the sign, the less than or equal to sign. It could also be just this association. So make sure you're just really careful with it, and you'll have no problem answering these types of questions. So I hope that helps, and I will see you in the next one.